This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for April 5th, 2023. It's currently February 20th, 2023, 7:29 p.m. Eastern Time. The shuffle file for this reading was created on February 16th, 2023, 10:25 p.m. Eastern Time. That's this file right here. And the overall theme of behavior for the day, we have a notable decline that'll stand out on a one-day chart. It offers an opportunity to open up a long position. It's a bit of a day trade is what I'm seeing here. We have this decline off of a crest or peak just before noon. Significant amount of price change here at midday to a low, probably around 1 o'clock. And then there's a big move out of that low to the upside. To the upper end of a range, and it looks like we probably have the same high that we've seen on the 4th, possibly on the 3rd as well. But there's like this high, this price level at the high that we see like multiple times throughout like the first few days of the month. See, we possibly on the 3rd, on the 4th, the 5th for sure, and then I don't think we see it on the 6th, but we see it on the 4th and the 5th, and possibly on the 3rd. Behavior around the highest high, we have sideways rotation along key support, increasing with bearish momentum as we move forward in time. Behavior around the lowest low, a significant move to the upside, a bullish trend, pushing the upper end of a range higher, and that bullish trend does complete. It looks like it completes by the end of the day. Sneak preview for the following day. We had the Queen of Swords the prior day for the sneak preview for today, so there's quite a bit of volatility probably going on, some real price swings, and then there's a sharp drop that'll stand out. That's probably over the first 2 days. There's this price swings, and then it looks like the sharp drop probably starts today and goes into the 6th. I'm advised to trade around a rally that increases with momentum moving forward in time. It looks like that's probably after this drop here. All right, so we have a prominent trough or low first thing in the morning in the pre-market, a significant trough or low, an unexpected move at the open, and we attempt to establish or reestablish support in the first half hour. There's a peak or crest that we sell off from quite quickly, like it's an easily missed peak or crest there between roughly 10 and 11. Excuse me, an easily missed peak or crest there, probably closer to 12 o'clock. As we have like some sideways kind of like rotation, almost holding pattern stuff, and then there's a pop into like this peak at 12, followed by a drop from like 12 to 1-ish. That'll be a significant move. A lot of price change there. One could position themselves there with that price move to make money to the downside and the upside, because it looks like we have this trade opportunity at a low around 1 o'clock. It's a low that forms after we have the selling from a crest or peak down to and through support important on a 1 month, and then we do a U-shaped reversal below that support, come back and reuse it as support. That turns into a rally around the 2 to 3 o'clock hour along a diagonal trend line, breaking through horizontal resistance, meeting a second resistance, and then pulling back to somewhere between those two price levels. And then there's bullish price swings in the last hour, bringing us to another day's high at the close. And another trade opportunity there. So it looks like an opportunity to get out of a bearish position here around 1 o'clock, and then an opportunity to get out of a bullish position near the close. Sneak preview for the following day. Again, more volatility with a sharp dip that stands out in a period of volatility. It looks like that sharp dip probably takes place. The period of volatility took place over the 4th and the 5th, and the sharp dip, it looks like, probably starts tomorrow or off of this unicursal here. That's the S&P 500 for April 5th, 2023. My friends, if you're interested in getting a different stock predicted by the hour like we do for the S&P 500, we do private by the hour predictions, 30 consecutive predictions by the hour. It's one of our services here. It's a premier service. You definitely get quite a lot of our attention. And how you get to it is private sessions, Eso-Meta forecasts. Click on Learn More. It's the 1 month consecutive daily readings. Click here. For $1,000 a month, we're doing that. You can cancel anytime, but you just put in the ticker that you're interested in there. It could be crypto, it could be a stock, it could be a commodity, and we'll take care of it from there. You'll get the following month's predictions by the 21st. And much appreciated to those of you that go ahead and do that. That really helps to support the channel. We are looking to build a much bigger team so we can get more and more information out to the public, to the masses, and make this, an even playing field for the retail investor. With that said, guys, as always, make sure you follow that rule of karma right here at the resources tab. 5% forward, 5% back, and spend that money out of love. The universe will send it back to you tenfold in all directions, my friends. I'll see you on the next one.